This is going to be Sunny Afternoon by the Kinks. It's got a little intro. It's going to have like kind of a D minor chord. But you can think about that third fret. Think about that third fret more than that guitar strap. Think about third fret, second string, 3, 3, 1, 1, open, open, 3, 3. That's that 3 on the G string, 2, 2, open, open, big 3, 2, 2. So all together, we're not chewing our guitar strap and we're trying to practice. We have 3, 1, and open on the B string, twice each. And then on the G string, we have 3, 2, open, twice each. And then we have 3 and 2 on the big string. So let's take a look at that again. We have, you could kind of do your D minor chord there, but it's that third fret of the second string you're really going for. It's like a... And then you do that again. And then you start into your chord progression. Now your chord progression, you might have to switch your capo around a little bit. Your chord progression is going to go D minor to C, and then F to C, and then A, go to A7, and then F, and then like E bass on the F, or E, whatever you want, D minor. Sometimes you got to adjust your capo. Okay, so once again, we had... We had it again. Chord progression, D minor, C, F, C. We got A to A7, F, E bass, okay, then we have like a D minor, C, F to C, then you got an A, A7, F, E bass, D minor. Okay, then we're gonna go D7. How about that one? D7, going to the G7, C7. We're gonna have an F, 2 beats, A7, 2 beats, D minor. Then we have a D minor, G7, D minor, and then G7 to C7, F, A7. Then we're back to the beginning when our capo was more well behaved. The 3, 3, 1, 1. Okay, so that's basically what's going on there. And then you go through all those chords again. So let's do a little review of what we had so far. So first of all, we need to resituate our capo because it's too close to the end of where the strap is. Okay, so here we go. Now she's found the cable. You can't have the cable, kid. I told you the cable is off limits. You're supposed to be fronting as a capo and not getting in the way of the video. How are we going to make this a regular thing? So we got that riff, you know what I'm talking about? So it's really best if you don't eat the parts of the guitar that we need for the shows that we have coming up, where you're a special guest. 3, 1, open. All right, we got the chord progression. D minor, C, F, C, A to A7, F, E bass, D minor. And then we got D minor like the C again, F to C, got the walk down thing, to an A7. We got D minor, G7, D minor, G7, C7, F, A7, D minor. I think we get into the walking. I think we're walking down at that point again. I think she needs to be walking somewhere pretty soon. All right, so. Sunny dog day afternoon. Okay, how about we say hi to people? Hi, I'm Lily. I make all kind of crazy nonsense when my daddy tries to make videos for the Baritone Ukulele. But that's okay. We're seeing what we can get away with this crazy pup. Obviously, you can't eat that guitar strap. That would not be good. But she didn't like laying in the crate when I tried to do a video either. How about let that go? We're going to run these people through the vamp again. Yeah, it kind of sounds better if you just do the F with the E bass. And then you got... You better hurry through this before she eats the whole baritone ukulele. Then what do we got? D7. G7. Oh, she got the cable again. C7. F to A7, D minor, G7, and D minor, G7, C7, F to the A, and then I think we're back to and the sunny afternoon in the summertime. All right, thanks for watching, y'all. Say goodbye, Lily. Bye, Lily.